Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. So I was testing Elementor AI as I just got the free trial because I purchased Elementor Pro agency plan with 1000 licenses. So here you can see I have written a prompt to test the Elementor AI. So here I was trying to add my gear page on my website to showcase the hardware equipments I have. So I have written this prompt. So I will copy it and I will paste it to the Elementor AI and then see what it does. So here when you will go to the WordPress website, here you need to click on add page, and after that you can click on edit with Elementor. You can open any existing page if you want. So I am just trying to create a new page so I can show you guys the whole process. And then here you will see these options. So I have installed the Elementor Pro, so I am seeing this option over here, that is Elementor AI. I will click on it and then you will see that it's currently under the beta stage, and here we can paste the prompt that we have written. So and then we will just click on this generate button. So once you will click on the generate button, it will start generating and it will take like a few minutes. So I have just already done that earlier on this page. So here you can see it's done, and here it says use layout. So I will click on that, and here you can see that's how it is done. But I had also added this check price button, so that one is not added. So yeah, okay, so here is the link thing, so I can add the check price link over here definitely. So let's test it out by adding a simple link over here and see how the button shows. Okay, so the whole thing became clickable, but I didn't want it that. So here is the pricing, but I didn't want it that. I had written in the prompt that it will include a link and the button is called check price. So yeah, it's not that much accurate, I guess, but if you want to give it a try, just go to elementor.com, and here you will have to go to products, and then you will see this Elementor AI option over here, and you can get the Elementor AI if you want. You can try the free trial if you want as well. Here are the pricing for that. So if you want to give it a try, you can try it out. So that's it for the video. If you need any help related to WordPress, Elementor or Shopify, maybe you want to design your website or just want to fix some things, then you can contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. See you next time.